If you've been searching for ways to make money online, you've probably come across Amazon MTurk. But is it actually legit, or is it just another scam? Here's my honest take. The good news is that Amazon MTurk, also known as Mechanical Turk, is a legitimate platform owned by Amazon. It has been around for years and pays users to complete small online tasks called HITs, or human intelligence tasks. These tasks can include answering surveys, categorizing images, transcribing short audio clips, or helping improve AI systems. Most tasks are simple, but don't expect to get rich. This is where many people get disappointed. While the platform is real, the pay can be very low. Some tasks only pay a few cents. To earn decent money, you need to find higher-paying HITs and work consistently. Another thing to keep in mind is that not everyone gets the same opportunities. Your location, approval rating, and experience can affect which tasks you can access. Beginners may have fewer options at first. So, is Amazon MTurk a scam? No, it's a real platform that really pays. However, it's also not a magic money-making machine. If someone tells you that you'll make thousands of dollars every month with little effort, that's simply not true. I think Amazon MTurk is best for people looking to earn a little extra cash in their spare time. It can also be useful if you want flexible work that doesn't require special skills. Just keep your expectations realistic. Overall, I'd say Amazon MTurk is legit, but it's not for everyone. If you're hoping for a full-time income, you'll probably be disappointed. But if you want a simple side hustle and don't mind completing small tasks, it may be worth trying.